There are loans that are free, but there are also loans that have credit requirements. These loans are good to consider, especially if you are trying to get a loan and are afraid of getting a bad credit rating. Here is a look at some of the best loans online that have no credit check requirements. If you are nearing bankruptcy and you need to pay off high credit card debt, then you may be in a position where you will qualify for this type of loan. These loans are usually paid back with interest, but the main purpose of this type of loan is to repay your credit card debt. However, you may be able to get it for other types of debts as well. In this case, you will probably have a lot of negative information on your credit file. This is not a good situation and you want to be careful with the decision to take out a loan. You need to do your research and make sure that you can handle the burden of repaying the loan. You can go through all the negative items in detail, but it is best to know what you do need to get approved. This way you will be able to get the loan and be confident that you can pay it back. These loans have no credit check requirements, so you can feel comfortable about taking them. If you have debt problems, and you need a personal loan, but do not want to have bad credit, you can qualify for a personal loan with a credit check. These loans can be very easy to get, and will be a great loan. All you need to do is pay a small amount on the interest, and you will get the money you need to pay off your debts. These personal loans have no credit check requirements, but there are some restrictions. For example, you will not be able to apply for these loans if you have a criminal history or debt that is over $2,000. However, if you do not meet the qualifications, then you can still apply for a personal loan. If you have a low credit score and you need cash fast, then you can get approved for a loan without a credit check. This loan will usually have very short terms, so it is important to make sure that you do not fall behind on the payments. A bad credit history does not make you any less of a person. Your credit history is just part of who you are, and you should not let it discourage you from being proud of your abilities. If you do have a low credit score, then you may not qualify for the first loan that you get. It is not easy to make these loans, and it is very difficult to pay back. It is just like applying for a loan, except you have to worry about paying the loan back before you get it. This is why it is important to apply for these loans, but do not expect to get them right away. This type of loan is perfect for business needs. Even if you do not meet the requirements, you will still get the money that you need to operate your business. These loans also have the advantage of not requiring a credit check, but you will have to use them carefully and efficiently. One thing that you should remember is that when you are trying to get a loan without a credit check, you will probably find that the prices are a little higher than normal. You will not have to worry about bad credit, but you will need to find a way to pay the loan back. You do not want to ruin your credit history by taking out a loan, and that is why you should start paying them back as soon as possible. Remember that no matter how bad your credit is, you can still get loans without credit check. As long as you find a lender that is willing to work with you, you can qualify for a loan without a credit check.